Hi, Friday, and lesson 19 today. This is incomplete and complete dominance. Different to the prac, and a lot of you missed the point of the prac. Both parents were heterozygous. In other words, they had one of each trait, a dominant and one recessive, and remember, the dominant comes through. So it was possible for this offspring to be very different from the parents because it could have got each of the recessive alleles and therefore, for instance, only have one eye, not two eyes. This one is called incomplete and complete dominance. So, first of all, let's mark our attendance for Friday. We then go to, you would have done that, gone to the forum. I would recommend you watch this as a preliminary, and then we can move on to lesson 19. So lesson 19 is down here. By the way, some people still need to submit their prac. It may still be open. If not, email it to me. So lesson 19, we have incomplete dominance. So the next thing we need you to do is go to your booklet and read on page 16 until the end of page 18. Then watch another video to reinforce what you have seen. And then finally, we just want you to do this worksheet here. This worksheet here. Once you finish that worksheet, do the solution. And then the following two lessons, we will be looking at practicing more of this section of work. And that's the conclusion for today's lesson. So fairly straightforward. A couple of videos, one worksheet, and read your theory booklet so you know where it all comes from. And have a great weekend. And don't forget Monday, no classes on Monday. Um, Teachers are going back to school and we're just doing some preparation work. So enjoy the Monday off. Have a good weekend.